Sundar Vishnoi, certified yoga instructor. I have completed my diploma in yoga therapy and naturopathy from T.Y. Patil University and diploma in yoga teacher training 200 RYT from Yog Vidya Gurukul Nasik. I have conducted 500 plus corporate yoga sessions which have been attended by 10,000 plus employees. My session have 4 parts. First, pranayam breathing technique. Second, stretching joint movements. Third, basic yoga asanas. And fourth, followed by guided meditation. Do join my sessions as these can be practiced by all, whether parents, children or full family. Make yourself fit and healthy to fight any disease. Hari Om. Thank you. Hi all, I am Sundar Vishnoi. Let's practice yoga for kids. First, sit relax. This is normal Sukhasana. Try fingers in Gyan Mudra. Just relax and put on your knees. Okay, now close your eyes. Just inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Now we practice Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. So first, close your right nostril, or if you are comfortable, then try Giri Mudra. For kids, it's okay. Just close your right nostril, inhale left, change, right exhale. Inhale, change, left exhale. Inhale, change, right exhale. Inhale, change, left exhale. Inhale, change, right exhale. Inhale, change, left exhale. Inhale, change, right exhale. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Okay, now we practice joint movement or Sukshma Vyayam. So first sit relax. Try legs in front. Hands on your support. Okay. Now start ankle movement. So rotate your ankle, both feet together, slowly, no fast, no jerk. Just rotate. And try to focus your ankle. When you rotate your ankle, so your focus is on your ankle. Slowly. Now reverse. Just focus on your ankle. Slowly rotate. Relax. Okay, now knee. So first left leg up and fold. Okay. Here you focus your knee. Inhale, raise your leg. Exhale, fold. Go with breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, relax. Now change, right leg up and fold. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, relax. Okay, now with both legs. So first make a good balance, then both legs fold up to the ground. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and relax. Okay. Now butterfly, all time favorite. So first interlock your fingers and hold your toes. Back straight. If you are comfortable, then close your eyes. Just your knee up and down. Very good hip opener. Just continue. This is butterfly, Titli Asana. Open your eyes and relax. Okay, now shoulder. So first elbow in front. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Slowly focus your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now return. Opposite direction. Reverse. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Okay, last neck movement. So eyes closed, neck down, your chin touch to the neck. And left to right, start rotation. Very slow. No fast, no jerk. And try to full round. Second rotation. Second round. Now reverse. Right to left. First round. Now second and last round. Center, eyes open, neck relaxed. Okay. Now first, sit in Vajrasana. Okay, this way. This is Vajrasana. Relax, just inhale. Exhale. Now we practice cat and cow. So your hands in shoulder line, make a gap between your legs, feet relax. Inhale, neck up and push your lower back in. Make a curve on your back. Look up. Exhale, go down, make a upside curve, make a hunch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This time try to focus your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax. Just relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now we practice child pose. So first inhale and raise your hand. Exhale and go down. So your forehead touch to the mat. This way, forehead fully touch to the mat. Hands in front, relax. Relax here. Inhale, come back. Exhale, very good relaxing pose. Okay, now we practice Bhujangasana. So first lie down on your abdomen. Now chin on the mat. Hand parallel to the shoulder or chest. Inhale and lift upper body. This is Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. And look up. Slowly go down. So one more time. Inhale up. Once you reach, breathe normal. Never ever hold your breath. Breath is always normal, natural. Just hold the asana, not the breath. So breathe normal, continue, try to hold. Now slowly go back and relax. Just inhale, exhale. Okay, now come standing. Now Tadasana. So first feet together. Inhale and raise your hand, interlock finger. Come on your toes and full body stretch. Exhale and relax. Okay, now left side turn. Very good stretch, especially for kids. Very good for height. Now right side. Center, release. Okay, now we practice tree pose. First lift your one leg, right or left hand, one leg. Then put here near the thigh. If you are not comfortable, then hold here near the ankle, but avoid knee. Or you can put on the mat this way. So both are fine. Now first make a balance and slowly raise your hand. Focus any one point, non-movable object. And try to hold. Slowly release. First hands, then your leg. Now change with other leg. First make a balance. Then raise your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Again focus any one point. Try to hold. Your body look like a tree. So this is tree pose, Vrikshasana. Slowly release and relax. Hari Om. Thank you.